I need a gangster to love me better than all the others do, to always forgive me, ride or die with me. That's just what gangsters do. I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue, I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a Harley Quinn makeup tutorial, and we're going to start off by spraying my hair. So I'm using the Age Beautiful Root Touch Up temporary hair color. I'm going to be using the shade black and the shade light red, light intense red. I was pretty surprised how pigmented these were, but the red ended up transferring everywhere. As you can tell in the video, my neck continues to get redder and redder. So now we're gonna move on to the face. I actually primed in this video, and I used a Smashbox Photo Finish primer, and I put that all over, more concentrated in the T-zone area. Then I took my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation in the shade 110 and put that all over and blended it out with my beauty blender. Now that our foundation is all blended out, I'm gonna take the L.A Girl concealer and put that under my eyes, on my chin, my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose, and blend it out. Once I have my concealer all blended out, I'm going to set it with the Huda Beauty baking powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. I'm also setting my liquid foundation with the powder Maybelline foundation in the same shade. As you can tell, my neck has gotten red. Now I'm going to contour with the Too Faced Cocoa Contour in the shade Medium Cocoa. I'm also going to contour my nose with the same color. So I went ahead and did one eye and my eyebrows off camera. So now I'm going to show you how I did the other eye. I took the color Warm Taupe from the Modern Renaissance palette and put that all in the crease. And now I'm dipping into the shade Blackout from Urban Decay's Naked 2 palette and putting that all over the lid. I also put a lot of the Huda Beauty baking powder under my eye in case fallout fell out, which it did, so I'm glad I put that down. Now I'm gonna blend out the black, and when I blended it out it became pretty sheer, so I went over the black again to deepen up the color. And blended once more. So when I blended out this black color, it got pretty sheer, so I decided to just go ahead and put my Maybelline black gel liner all over my lid to make it that midnight black that I was wanting to go for. And once I had the gel liner all over, I set it with the blackout color from the Naked 2 palette. And I tried to blend the edges out so that it wouldn't be so harsh. I went ahead and added a wing liner with the same Maybelline gel liner, using my felt tip liner as an applicator. Now I'm going to take the warm taupe color and put that under my eye, and I'm also going to take the blackout color and put that right along my lower lash line and blend those two together. Now that the eyes are all done, I'm going to brush the fallout off. Now it's time for the lips, and I didn't know if I wanted to do a red lip or a black lip, but I ended up deciding on doing the red lip. This is the Kat Von D liquid lip in the shade Outlaw. I'm always so concentrated when I do a red lip because they are so unforgiving. Now that the lips are all done, the look is complete. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below.